USB ports not working on your PC can be a real headache, but don't panic, because in the next 15 minutes, we'll get those connections back. First things first, physically check the port and the device. Make sure the USB cable is securely plugged into both your computer and the device. Try a different USB port on your computer, because one might be faulty. If that doesn't work, test the device and cable with another computer. This will help narrow down the problem. Okay, now let's dive into some software troubleshooting. In the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and click it. This is where we manage all the devices connected to your computer. In Device Manager, scroll down to find Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click the little arrow to expand this section. Look for any entries with a yellow exclamation mark or red X. These indicate a problem. If you see one of those, that might be the culprit. Right-click on the problematic device and select Update Driver. Choose to search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will scan for and install the newest drivers it can find. If updating the driver doesn't help, try uninstalling the device by right-clicking it, then selecting Uninstall Device. After uninstalling it, click on the Scan for Hardware Changes icon, which is a monitor with a magnifying glass. Windows should automatically reinstall the device and hopefully recognize it this time. Finally, let's check your power settings. In the search bar, type Power and Sleep Settings, then click the Additional Power Settings option. This leads to the control panel's power options. Click Change Plan Settings on your current power plan, then click the Change Advanced Power Settings link. Expand USB Settings and then USB Selective Suspend setting. Make sure it's set to Disabled. This prevents Windows from turning off your USB ports to save power. Click Apply and Close. All Windows, your USB ports should now be working correctly, and if that doesn't do the trick, you may consult online videos for the fix.